Welcome to the complete Python networking course. My name is Martin Yanev, a master's degree software engineer with solid experience with all types of programming languages. As part of my work, I design, test, and integrate complex software solutions in United States. If you want to become a software networking engineer or system administrator, then this course is the right place for you. Here you will learn all Python libraries for networking and web programming. And instead of learning from complex theories and equations, here you learn from practice. You write plenty of networking scripts using PyCharm and the terminal Python mode. In this course, you learn Python for network programming, how to extract data in different formats, and request and retrieve web resources. You adopt a variety of protocols, and you modify systems over the web with the DNS and IP networking. We'll start from very basics with the Python 3.9 installations, and then continue to more advanced networking topics. This course is literally limitless source of Python networking scripts. As a student in this course, you have access to over 11 hours of HD video content, which covers every small bit of network programming with Python. So if you're a complete beginner, don't worry, because here in this course I included two introductory sections that cover specifically all Python beginners topics. So if you are somebody who wants to get a job as a programmer, then this course is perfect for building your resume or CV. You will also be saving a lot of money, as this course is equivalent to any in-person course taught in every university. So instead of spending thousands of dollars, you can have access to the same curriculum, which takes years to develop. So if you're working in the software industry as a networking engineer, or simply want to learn networking with Python for fun, and you have no prior experience in that sector, I will be there for you every step along the way. As an instructor, I have over 150,000 students already enrolled in my courses, which means that you will never be alone in your learning journey. You will get access to a huge community ready to help you every step along the way. It's a great time to learn programming and especially networking with Python. So I'm looking forward to see you in this course.